Lord and Son here now say introduce vibes and today, man, them people. This is something that's a little bit different. I step out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna do something where I will drive for nostalgia, is it? But really, it's not really about nostalgia. It's about design, character design, and I don't know now. I do a tier list for Mortal Kombat 9 character designs. Basically, means a rate when me was me look on a think about a character, look on a character, I would think if him, design top tier, me not care about gameplay, me not care how about character traits, just by the looks. Alright, if the dog have on, sick your fuck or the dog look like shit. So here are the tiers: S tier, A tier, B tier, C tier, D tier. We can start it. Alright, Baraka the first man. Alright, I feel sorry if anybody really rate Baraka. The Baraka just did simple dog. Man the have on him pants. Him fuck up cancer skin, him teeth them with the jagged teeth, him can't dog ugly as fuck. D tier. Boom. Next on the chopping block. Oh, that's Cyber Sub Zero. Cyber Sub Zero. Yo, when I first see Cyber Sub Zero, dog, I just know say, yo, he dog tough. So B tier that. That's B tier for me. Moving on. Not even B tier. This is better. It's more like a A. More like a A. Cyrax. Another one of the cyber guys, you see, but we never really did so fond of Cyrax design per se. Moveset sick, but design wise, robot cyberized version, not that much of a fan. B tier. Ermac. Yo, Ermac, cause when Ermac first get introduced in Mortal Kombat 9, the dog look like a fucking zombie. Or anything like, I mean, by right, I kind of like the monster design, but that would make me look like a fucking fuckhead if me say, yo, I like monster designs and put Baraka in a D tier. But I kind of like the mummy aesthetic more. So that's all going to B for me. B for me. B tier. B tier. D tier. Pussy will go in a D. Come like you want to stick in a C. Freddy. Fucking Freddy. Freddy. In terms of design, Freddy Krueger, I even know the story, man, get burned up because the fucking terrorists pick me. And yeah, and then keep it fucking simple. As to what doing in the movies, I'm really that much of a Freddy fan. I'm more of a Jason guy, so fuck you, Freddy. Anywho, Jade. Jade, my dearest. Jade there. Oh god, I used to do some unholy things in my mind with the idea of Jade. So you know what she got? She got be my first S tier. I'm not sorry. I used to go into that. I used to go in your fuck to her. Anywho, Jax, Jax, with them big metal arm them. You know, me so fond of Jax. Jax is just basic in terms of design. Moveset tough though, but basic. Alright, Johnny Blaze. Johnny. The guy, Johnny. You can't read the Johnny tattoo across in chest. The movie star aesthetic. All the kind of basic, just like Jax. You just go ahead and put him in a Peter. I'm thinking I'm being fair. Would that be right there? Yeah, that's fair. That's really fair. And if you don't like that, argue them with that. Anywho, Cabal. Do I really need to say more? I don't really need to say much about Cabal. My bias, alright? My fucking bias. Anywho, no, the mask, I really the mask, dog. The mask and the fit. Like if you know about Cabal fit in a MK9, you would know why. I put him in the A tier. Anywho, Kano. Yeah, I'm really fucking Kano design. Kinda like them that go for like a Terminator thing, but they kinda half-ass it. Cause the man go lose him eyes and get a cyberized metal sheeting or going on eye socket part this so and can shoot laser. And it was just a basic mercenary to me. Yeah, basic mercenary, so I got down in a blood clot D tier. Kenshi, my boy Kenshi. Alright, this the blind samurai thing. me did rate it. So you know, B tier, B tier, B tier. Can't come it higher up on the B tier. Actually, yeah, it might lead the pack. It might lead the pack. It might lead the pack. You know the B tiers. Kitana, Kitana. You know, me never really so fond of Kitana. You know, she kind of basic to me, quite normal. Don't get me wrong, woman is sexy, you know, but she wasn't like a Jade level sexy. You know, so that's like a B tier for me. Is it? Is it? If you don't like that, you know what to do. Sky Juice and woman. Anyway, Kratos, the dog Kratos. They come like they strip him straight from the bumble clock to damn dog. So yeah, what? Then take him directly from out of the God of War game series and then just adapt him so well. So you know the dog has to go hold a decent A. Yeah, Kratos A. Kratos to me is A, brother. Alright, so then moving on to everybody's favorite punching bug, Kung Lao. Mr. Kung Lao, Wasteman Kung Lao. I mean, when I lie, to me, I really do respect the hat. Most characters in verse don't really rate him hot, but me think it's sick. Mars did like Kung Lao theme hot. Although he get the most disrespect in our series, I rate him. I honestly do rate him. So B tier. B tier. B tier. Anyway, the main character of the series. The main character of the series. My dog, Liu Kang. Moveset. One of there for that. One of there for that. But design, I mean, it's supposed to be a riff off of Bruce Lee. But to me, you cannot give basic kung fu movie protagonist. Kumate, the mirror money night Kumate, where they had the villain, he look exactly like him, but with longer hair. Nothing really special to me. So, you know, like half high strength, see it here. Mileena Bombaclot. I'm sorry. But based off her design, I know she is a she in another timeline she was a clone. She's a clone of Kitana, right? And Kitana supposed to be like the quintessential best girl, but for me, Melina was it, bro. Melina did sexy as fuck to me when I was a jit. Like Melina was so, oh my god, I'm having flashbacks. Oh my god, man, I catch a cold sweats. Oh my sexy as fuck! That's here! That's so sexy! Shall go up there! Hey girl, come here! Up there! Up there, baby! I'm gonna say, up there. She's up there, brother. I'm telling you. Alright. Who that? Night Wolf? My dog, Night Wolf. I mean, the dog aesthetic, he cool. He cool. My him culture. Me give him that much. Is it? Big up to the Indian people, the native people, not Indians, those are different people. But you see him now in design, I mean, you can go on, you know, and something that I really rave about, but feel lore accurate. I mean, me get respect. Me get the respect, quite forget. Be there. Anyway, Noob Saibot. Dog, Noob, I like the most drippy character that has ever existed. You know, the whole of Mortal Kombat, man, I take it back, it dog drippy as fuck. So, you know, S tier for your dog. S tier drip, the dog drippy as fuck. Anywho, S tier drip, the dog drippy. Drippy. Look, I look on the mask. You can't, you have to, dog drippy as fuck me out. Anywho, next. Whatever their name again. My name again? Quan Chi. Never really, in terms of character, we never really rate Quan Chi. I'm not like you, look, brother, remember, go suck your mother, you go kill out the, anyway, go suck your mother, fuck you, D tier. Anyway, dog, go give you a fuck. Anyway, who that? Raiden. Electric God, Boogaloo, Heavenly Demon type of look, you know, except for the horns and shit. Technically, based on what going and saying that the history was a demon, but whatever. Based on the look alone, the straw cap, the white and blue thing when the other, the uniform when the other, and the poses what this man used to do. Man always in the horror form, so you know, A tier, A tier, based off of the drip alone. Me put him in an A tier. Give him a decent A tier. Put him up right in an A tier. Boom. Alright, rain. Also one of my favorite designs, I must say, I like the purple ninja aesthetic. And in the right back of Bumbleclot raiden with the rain powers and the lightning powers, man always in the aura form. Fuck yes. A tier. Rain is A tier. A tier drip. How the gold accents pan the yo, rain sick. Sick as fuck. Anywho, reptile. You know, I'm not telling a lie, I really like the reptile design, you know. No, military fuck with the reptile designer. It not really as bad compared to like Mortal, some of the one them in a Mortal Kombat 9. Although the aesthetic is is supposed to look more like a lizard more than a bumbleclot or human being. But the thing is with the version they mix the both aspects of this lizard man looking thing person ninja. And you know I'm not really that much of a fan. But it's not really as egregious as some other ones. As egregious as you know, probably I took a revise. What's one is after get revised? You know, really as egregious. It's not as bad as compared to other designs later down the line. So you know, it's not as bad. It's not as bad. See it here, not as bad. Scorpion. You see that suit that aesthetic that what the dog be of, especially for that game. MK9 Scorpion. The design too tough. You know the scorpion on him for mask and the rivets them on the dog. Dog tough. Too tough. The dog too tough. But he never say much. It's S tier. S fucking tier. Cyrax. Cyrax sector. No, a sector that. Yeah, so I'm look for I'm about sector. I mean, I never really fuck with sector Cyrax that much. I never really like Cyrax's design. I was more of a sector type of guy based off of how the mass design looks. Same with cyber sub zero. I like cyber sub zero. Yeah, kind of rate sector more of a Cyrax design. Not as much as how me like cyber sub zero. So it will go in A tier design wise A tier. Anyway, moving on, Shang Tsung. Alright, so now with Shang Tsung, I'm not lie. The dog did tough. Whether it be young Shang Tsung or old man Shang Tsung. The dog did know to put that shit on though. I cannot hate. I will not hate. This man has a tear drip. I will not hate. Oh shit. Oh, dog gone. One buckler, oh, dog gone. Oh, see him there. A tier. A tier. Alright, Shiva. Wasn't a fan of Shiva. No, you know, some man would probably find her sexy because she's a muscle mommy. But really, the hairstyle for me really fucked up. I really mind it. Not even the extra limbs, that wasn't really a factor. No, it wasn't really a factor for me, but you know, just the hairstyle, dog. I really like it that much. It's not real. No. Alright, Mama Sindel. The white hair and the black streak in the middle. Shape out real nice, yeah. But she have on the, grab on, yeah, you don't know. Look nice. But you know, she never really get me going like the other two women there up at top. So you just have to hold a beat here, mama. All a decent beat here. You see, love you, but you never really get me going like that. I'm not gonna lie to you. Smoke! Smoke! The nigga did tough! When I never on the mask cover him head top and have him hair flow. You see the hair flow like a smoke. And they have ninja suit be tough too. You know, the Linkway them usually have some real nice uniform. If you're supposed to go join a gang, like a Linkway, you probably join a Shira Riot or Spike, because them usually have better uniforms. Anywho, you still have to put smoke in the B tier. B tier? No, more like A tier. Yeah, A tier for smoke. What you name again? The SWAT nigga, what you name again? Striker. Yeah, Striker. No police, no have on him standard SWAT uniform, police SWAT uniform. You know, it did fit him, you know. But you know, it kinda it suit him, but you know, I'm really fond of the it's just a police, it's just an aesthetic, it's just a uniform. There's nothing really special about that. See here. Um Sub Zero. Alright, so because I mean the only thing I really did like with Sub Zero was like the mask. The Linkway uniform, as I say, only Linkway what he actually had that shit on was smoke. Sub Zero, him wanna start put on that shit after he get cyberized. That's just my personal take. Never really fond of MK9 Sub Zero design. MK MKX now did better. Did better. But you know, I'm going to beat here for the strength. Beat here. Yeah. Alright, now Scarlet. Something about her headed, is it? Something about her headed, dog. She look good, yeah? Looks so damn good, like. Oh, people. Fucking it, give me 5. At least. At least. That's all I'm asking. Even if you don't like the video. So I'll try this again later on. But still, give me a little like goal of 5 likes. Give me 5 likes. I'm not be greedy. I'm not be a likes merchant. I'm not big likes. Yeah, let's give me 5. Anyway, Scarlet. As I say, some about I did. But she never really get me hot and bothered like Jade and Melina. So, you know, because she never really put the fire underneath me like that, it's not to all that, but she still look good to me, you know. A decent 8 here from her. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, a 8 here. Half of the strength. Half of the strength. Yeah, half of the strength. Yeah, not more like right so. More the other fuck. But you see now the last woman here, Sanya. Ugh! Bro, I kinda see why Johnny did into her. Like, oh my god. Ugh! Oh my god. I didn't even ask Christ. I didn't even ask Christ. She's going up there. She's like that. Where is she? Boom. Boom. Alright, so I'm trying to look over. The listings here. Yeah, I think that's it for me. That's it for me. No, actually. Yeah. Yeah, fuck country, fuck Kano. Yeah. This is it. This is it. This is my final listing. If you disagree, sound off in the comments. Until the next time, guys. Big up on the damn self. I'm gone. Alright. Well,